I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Mueller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking. Hey there, RecTech family, Chef Greg here with you. Today we're doing something completely awesome. We are making chicken marsala on the new RecTech Matador. We've got this preheated to about medium high. We've got our chicken breasts. We've got 3 chicken breasts that we scallopini, so we cut in half. Okay, we're gonna get these seasoned up with some salt and pepper. And then we're gonna dredge these in flour, and that's gonna give us a nice crust. Okay, so we'll go ahead and flip those over, season both sides. Some black pepper. Okay. We're gonna get our olive oil. Probably gonna do a couple tablespoons. Okay. Pan is good and hot. We'll go ahead and get these seared off. And we're looking to get these nice and golden brown. And as they cook, what we'll do is we'll bring them up into a higher zone of the pan where it's a little bit cooler. And that'll give us a chance to make our sauce. And this is big enough, I probably could have done, 12 to 14 pieces of chicken at one time. Get those nice and golden brown. And I'm not looking to cook the chicken through, I'm just looking to give it a good color. All right, so our chicken's got great color to it. We'll go ahead and move that into an outer zone. And on the inside, I have 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms and 8 ounces of button mushrooms. Now, mushrooms have a lot of water to them, so we're not going to worry about salting these. We're really going to cook these down, and those mushrooms are going to kind of exude some juice, and then they'll reabsorb it, and then we'll get some good, good caramelized color on there. So our mushrooms have some great color now. I'm going to add in a half a cup of diced onion. We're going to go ahead and season this with a little bit of pepper, some salt, and for the herbs, I've got a tablespoon of fresh sage, a tablespoon of fresh thyme, and then some fresh parsley. So it wouldn't burn earlier, we're going to add a tablespoon of fresh garlic. Some fresh butter. All right, so we have some Marsala wine. We're going to add in about a cup of Marsala wine, 2 cups of roasted chicken stock. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide our chicken back in, and we're going to finish cooking that chicken in that sauce. All right, so our sauce is reduced down. It's nice and thick. We'll go ahead and serve up a piece here. Okay. Grab some of that sauce and the mushrooms. That right there looks delicious. Cut into that. Oh, that chicken's super tender. Chicken marsala cooked on the RecTech Matador. Absolutely delicious. Give it a try.